If you've ever had to make a PowerPoint presentation, you know it can take hours or even days to get it just right. Choosing the right template, arranging the slides, writing the text, fixing the design, it's a lot of work. And if you're short on time, the final result can end up looking rushed and unprofessional. But what if you could take all that stress away and create polished, professional slides in just a few seconds? That's exactly what WorkPPT is designed to do. WorkPPT is an AI-powered presentation tool that turns your ideas into complete slide decks almost instantly. All you have to do is type in your topic, your idea, or upload a file, and the AI takes care of everything with very little work on your part. The AI chooses the layout, organizes the content, and makes sure your slides look professional and consistent from start to finish. This means you can focus on your message instead of spending hours fixing formatting or worrying about design. So here we are on the WorkPPT official website. Use the link in the video description below to visit the website. Sign up or log in with your email address or Google account. I already have an account. I'm going to log in. And I'm now on my dashboard. If you take a look at this side panel, you can see a few other AI tools. We'll take a look at all these later in the video. We'll just focus on the AI slide for now. The first thing I noticed when using WorkPPT is just how fast it works. To start creating, make sure you've selected AI slide and use this drop down to select the number of slides you want in your presentation. In this text box, provide your topic or idea in at most 100 characters. Hit enter or use the send button on the interface. The AI is going to break down the topic or idea into sections, and if you like them, click on Generate My Presentation. Otherwise, click Try Again. When you proceed to the next step, you'll get to choose from several slide templates. And if you have a hard time figuring out which one to use, you can always use the filter categories at the top of the page to find a suitable template faster. When you have found a good template, click to preview, and if you like it, go ahead and click on the plus button to proceed to the next step. The AI would begin to generate the slides, and within just a few seconds, you'll have a complete set of slides ready to go. The slides looked clean and professional, and I didn't need to make any big changes before presenting, except for switching out this background image. If you're a student, a teacher, a business owner, or anyone who needs to make presentations regularly, this is a huge time saver. Of course, no AI tool is perfect. If you're someone who wants full creative control over every design detail, you might still want to tweak the slides in this editor after the AI generates them. But for most people, especially those who just need a well-made presentation fast, the results are more than good enough right out of the box. There are options to export and download the slides as PPT, image files, or PDF documents. Select whatever format you need and export the slides. But WorkPPT isn't just for presentations. It comes with several other powerful tools that make it a complete work assistant. There's a smart PDF toolkit that lets you merge or split PDF files, convert between PDF and Word or images, and even add watermarks and approval stamps. If you deal with a lot of documents, this can save you from switching between multiple apps. There's also an AI summarizer that can read through long text and give you a clear, short summary in seconds. This is perfect if you're doing research or need to quickly understand a long report. And of course, there's the real-time AI chat, so if you need help writing, researching, or organizing your work, you can just ask the AI directly. What makes WorkPPT stand out is how all these tools are built into one platform. You don't need to download separate apps for slides, PDFs, summaries, and mind maps. Everything is right there in one place, and the user interface is simple enough that anyone can use it without any learning curve. The best part is that you can try WorkPPT right now using the official links in the video description below. There's no complicated setup, just open it in your browser, type in your topic, and see what it can do. So, if you're tired of spending hours making slides, or if you want a smarter way to handle PDFs, summaries, and brainstorming, give WorkPPT a try. It's fast, it's easy to use, and it can help you focus on what really matters, your ideas. I put the link in the description so you can check it out for yourself and see how much time you can save. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.